I, Tim Walz, Governor of Minnesota, do hereby proclaim Wednesday, July 30th, 2025, Medicaid and Medicare Day.
A proclamation from Minnesota Governor Tim Walz celebrating 60 years of Medicaid and Medicare in Minnesota.
For 60 years, Medicaid has provided critical access, support, and services to people across our state. Medicaid is vital to Minnesota's health and is a cornerstone of our quality of life.
The proclamation comes at a politically charged time for the program. Earlier this month, H.R. 1 was signed into law at the federal level. The bill will drastically change the way Medicaid is handled nationwide, slashing spending, introducing new work requirements, and creating new reporting mandates.
We anticipate the number of people who will lose coverage, as the commissioner said, over time in Minnesota to be upwards of 140,000 people.
State Medicaid Director John Connolly had unveiled the expected impacts of the bill earlier this week. Connolly said the state's expected to lose $1.1 billion in funding over the next 4 years.
Adults with low incomes who do not have children will face new challenges on top of those they already experience. It will also pose challenges for the state budget.
Minnesota Management and Budget, or MMB, Commissioner Erin Campbell was also there. She explained that H.R. 1 as a whole is expected to make a huge dent in the state's bottom line.
Once it's fully implemented, the loss of federal funds will cost entities across the state of Minnesota a combined $2.5 billion per biennium, if not more.
It's unclear how the legislature will handle the expected cuts. State Republicans in St. Paul have largely been either very supportive or relatively quiet about proposed changes to federal policy. It's possible that where the DFL looks to pass state-level bills to offset changes to things like SNAP and Medicaid, Republicans will prioritize spending cuts in other areas. Several outstanding special elections mean the balance of power in the legislature is currently up in the air, but it's likely the DFL will hold the Senate and the House will continue to be tied. Reporting in St. Paul, I'm Quinn Gorham.